the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Google Chrome shortcut but as an incognito, meaning if you open that shortcut it will open Chrome in incognito mode. So for that, right click and go to new and click on shortcut. Just copy this and paste. Click on next, give it a name. And just click finish. So open, it will open Chrome as incognito. So that's all. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.